All right. So yeah, we're gonna work on the monuments. I tried implementing them yesterday, and there was like there was a slight issue with like creating duplicates of the object, or it would instance after we died for the first time, and obviously we don't want that happening. So I'll have to figure out what's going on there. I'm probably just gonna rewrite the whole thing, make more sense of it going forward. So I think what we're gonna do first, just so I don't have to keep jumping everywhere to see if it exists, is we're gonna put it in this room here. Go into monuments. Into objects, add this. We'll just add it like right here. Looks a little crazy at the moment, but it's fine. So yeah, right now, well, what we used to do was in our world demo, we would iterate through objects in the monuments group and change the parent. I think this could still work. I think we should do it this way. So we'll leave that there, but we'll have to rewrite some of this. You know what? I might just remove all of this code for now. And one other thing that we're going to do is just change its global position. I just want to see if this works, because I tried it before and for some reason couldn't get it for some reason. But let's try global position.x. Let's do like just plus equals 100. Just see if it moves to the right a bit. Should. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so there's no problem with like changing parents and global positions, anything like that. Oh, but we actually never even changed it, so let's do that. So what we'll do is we'll say get parent dot remove child of self, and then add child, or node dot add child. Self. And this should do the same thing, but I don't think it will. For some odd reason. Maybe it will, we'll see. Yeah, so it disappears. I assume it's still in our world. Hey, how's it going, Zombie? Try this. We'll save our global position. So on our, we could do this in our ready function, or actually no, we could do it before we change the parent. So we'll just save, say var temp global is equal to global position, and then over here we'll just say global position is equal to temp global. See if that corrects everything. So yeah, okay, now it works. We were having an issue with that earlier. The next thing we want to do, we can erase this. Actually, no, we'll leave this here, because if we were to restart this scene, change parent wouldn't run. So what we would do in our ready function is check if it already exists, and then that's where we'll like queue free everything. So in our ready function, we'll just say check already exists, and then for monument, I'm also thinking, wait, before we do that, we did have a reference to all of these nodes, so we might as well do that. So let's do, we have a level manager, we'll say level manager dot monuments, is that what we called it? Dot append self, and we'll do this. I mean, it doesn't matter where we do it, but yeah, we'll leave it here. And then we'll do for monument in monuments in level manager dot monuments, if monument dot original node path. Okay, so here's the issue. Actually, we don't have the parent in our ready function at the moment. So maybe we could still write it in the change parent. We'll do it like right over here before we append it. So yeah, this is looking very similar to the code that we had yesterday, and it was wrong for some reason. But maybe there was just something I was missing. So if monument original node is equal to our original node path, we'll queue free and return for now. And then I'll just write it here. Check already exists. So this should queue free, and we shouldn't have like any duplicates. Let's see. Okay, so there it is right now. If I were to restart, oh no, there's our duplicate. Okay. Let's see here. So it must be the original node path. Maybe it's changing every time we create a new room. So let's check for that really quick. Maybe that's why we're getting some duplicates. So we restart. There's gonna be a lot of code that runs here, but hopefully we find it. This was on death. For birth. Should probably delete some of these point A, point B stuff. Like a lot of this is redundant already, or like we don't use it. So I don't see where it's printing. Let's see again. For monument in monuments original node path. We did append it. Just make sure we spelled it correctly. Hey, how's it going, Adam? Checking for adjacent. What else do we got here? Trying to find in files. Trying to find. Damn, I really can't wait to like refactor everything. Oh no, it got banned again. He has to like, I don't know, man. Use like a voice changer. He has to use a VPN. He has to like do everything in order to not get banned. let's try this again. So we restart. Dead level original node path. It doesn't print anything here. So let's see what's going on. Original node path. Original node path is equal to getParent.getParent.getName. Oh, what the hell? Okay, that's fine. It's still not printing anything though. Let's see. Original node path is, well, it's not even node path, it's just the parent. This would be wrong anyway, but I'm just curious. Oh, I think it's because we did plus get name. But I still want to know why getParent.getParent.getName didn't do anything. We run this in our, we actually only run, oh, I see, wait. Check already exists when run this, that's why. So what we'll have to do in our ready function, I'm trying to think, because we would have to make it yield for like a split second for everything to like run. So yeah, we could do, was it yield idle frame? Yield, get tree, idle frame. Alright, let's try this again. And we'll run this in, we'll run check already exists. Stream on Discord, screen share, because I find it. Yeah, it definitely is more comfortable because, like, you know, you don't have, like, you know who's watching you, so it's like less intimidating, right? Definitely get that. Okay, current room queue. Oh wait, no, that's not it. Yeah, original node path is not saving for some reason. Let's try. Oh, because we never actually added it in this scene just yet. It's just an empty node. That's why I'm a little silly. So we'll put it right here. Okay, so original node path is equal to room 86 at 3338. Okay. So let's do this. And since we're gonna be checking if it already exists, like almost immediately, we're gonna run it in our ready function. Just thinking, if we're running the idle frame, it might run the ready function first from our world demo. Let's do this. But this is not, it's not only going to be getParent.getParent.getName, it needs to be str. Wait, and one other thing I want to make sure of. Godot get name has extra characters. trying to think, because we are queue freeing this this room, so the name might change. Let's just see what happens here. Str get parent plus get name. I'm also wondering, does change parent, this actually might change as well. I'm thinking maybe we'll only keep it in our ready function. We could do that. We do yield, and then instead of writing change parent up in our main scene, we could just have this monument handle it instead. Let's try that. Let's get rid of change monument parent. All right, so we have our original node path. We check if it already exists, but we haven't appended it to anything just yet. We're gonna do that here, so we get rid of this. We'll get rid of this. We could save the global position level manager dot append self, get parent dot remove child self add self. Okay, and then change parent of the. Basically, we want to get parent dot get parent dot get parent dot get parent. It's gonna be a little weird. So that's the. This is the objects. This is the room, and then this is the world. Yeah. Okay. There we go. I think that fixed it. And just to make sure, I added a quick script to this. Did we add it already? We might have removed it. Yeah, we did. Let's just add a signal here. I just want to make sure that they're not like duplicating on top of each other. We'll just say, let's just say for now, var particles. Okay, so they're gone, and now we're gonna die. Hey, how's it going, Windstriker? There we go. Perfect. Okay. So it all works now. I don't like how we're doing like get parent dot get parent, but we'll probably work on a better way to implement it. I feel like maybe our world demo should like handle this, but we should like make a specific like, I don't know, like a class of some sort that handles all of these types of objects, but yeah, we can't do that today. I think it would be way too much work. And I mean, it already works the way it is. We also need to make sure that on our exit tree, that we're queue freeing the monuments, because I think if we were to go into our main menu right now, I don't know if that's true. Let's see. Yeah, so our monuments is going to make us crash here. Let's see. What we can do here. For monument in monuments. I think in our ready function, we could just say, for now in our world here, we'll just say level manager dot we could do this actually. Yeah, we should do it here. Is it clear? Let's see. There we go. Okay, it's perfect. There is one other issue though, and I think it's that it's still technically like rendered into the game, even if we're not in that room, and that's because now it's a child of our world and not a child of this room. So we'll have to figure out. I don't know if there should be like a reference to it of some kind. Maybe like a dictionary. Saying like, hey, that you're a part of this room, only activate when you're in this room. That's one way to go about it. Maybe a room would have like an array of objects that it's connected to. And when you leave that room, any of the objects that it's connected to would like just disappear for the time being. I'll be right back. I have to use the bathroom. All right. So I think now we can actually start working on this monument. Like, I'm trying to think what we could do. So we do need to add like some sort of activation to it, like making it an interactable object. So I think I want to change how we interact with things as well. Like I want to work on the UI a bit. So yeah, like at the moment with objects that you interact with, there's usually just an icon that shows like right above it. I think it looks kind of weird. I think we'll just leave it as like a white outline. We'll add a white outline whenever you can interact with something, and maybe we'll add an icon like on the bottom left, or maybe in this corner here. We'll grab whatever button the player is using, or like whatever button they have it assigned to, and it'll be like pretty dynamic with what we have as our key bindings and stuff. So let's do that. One other thing I want to do is grab this image, and I want to add like a white border to it, so like they know that they're about to interact with it. Let's do that. Let's grab our monument sprite sheet, show in file manager. Monument sprite sheet. We only need something that's 4 pixels bigger than the original image. Yeah, pressing a button to interact with it. I can show you an example of that. So we worked on. Oh yeah, there's one in this room right here. You see how you can press shows that I can press E. If I use the Xbox controller, it'll show the Y button. I don't know if I like it, because it's... Yeah, I'm just not sure. Maybe it would even be better, like, underneath the player. Like, right there. Or, like, on the bottom left. I don't know, man. But yeah, for now, we're just going to have that white border. Maybe not have the button. Or, yeah, we'll move around the button and see what we can do with it. Oops. Yeah, let's make a new file. And this is going to be +2 pixels on both sides. Actually, we don't even... You just say +2 on the left and right, because we already have extra pixels over here. This can actually be 50 pixels. I'm just curious, what was the original? No, let's keep it close to the original. So we'll leave it like that and just increase it by 2. +2. I think there's this cool thing I could do with GIMP is if I select all of these colors, I could like invert it, I believe. And then I want to shrink it. Is that what I wanted to do? No. Here. I'm gonna stop pretending like I know how to use GIMP, and we're just gonna paint over borders. Oh my god. Oh, and one other thing we could do here is remove. We don't need this anymore. Just be like that. I wonder, should we highlight the inside as well? Let's see what it looks like. It's a lot easier to remove it than to add it after we delete the center or the monument itself. And what's going on here? Did we just mess with one of the CPU particles? Oh, it's just crazy like that. We'll have to mess with the particles as well. But for now, let's add this texture. Fits right over like a glove. And we'll hide it for now. And then on area entered, so yeah, we could throw this right here just to test it out. Nothing will happen just yet. Oh wait, whoops. In our script here, we still have it being pushed 100 pixels. Okay. And let's just see what it looks like. Without that centerpiece. The particles disappeared because I was just messing with something. Wonder if did I like the way it looked like with the highlight in the center? Yeah, I think we'll leave it like this, because we might mess with the highlight, the particles in the center to make it look. I don't know. We'll probably add like an animation inside, pixel art animation rather than like procedurally generated particles. It looks very weird in pixel art, the particles. I mean, like you can see in game it looks really weird, but then if we were to go to the monument itself, like, I mean, it still looks pretty crazy, but you can, like, the movement of it is a lot smoother, especially if we were to decrease like velocity a bit. Another thing we could do technically is make particles not pixel art, like or like have it stand out from the pixel art to, you know, have it move smoothly across the screen. But we would have to rewrite some of the stuff that goes on in our main scene, which we're not going to be doing before the demo comes out. I'm not going to do that, but that's okay. Alright, so yeah, we'll leave it like this. Let me see if I could find like a cool... I want to find like a crystal of some kind. And I think we... We have something in our world demo. I was thinking of grabbing this huge stone that's in our game. This one right here. Maybe making like a really small version of that. It would have to fit in whatever this is, like, what is this? Basically, it would have to fit in like a 24 by 24. Maybe we can manage that. What is this file called? Bullets. I don't know how well it's going to look in a, you know, in a really small image, but let's try it out. So we'll grab this. Maybe we can even shrink it a bit to get like the maximum. Sorry if I'm a little slow today. I haven't gotten much sleep in the past few days. Oh wait, this is not the lowest point. We might just want to grab one and scale it down and then animate it via code. We could just scale it in game, see what it looks like. Just do that. So yeah, there's no way to look like this in game. I'm just curious. We'll probably make it a little wider too. Ideally, maybe we would want to make like some sort of rotation animation to it too. Wait, just see what it looks like. Push this over here. What's this music playing? It's like a weird collection of songs here. Oh, that does remind me that there should be actually a shader on this, or material on this. There is. Oh, but it's not on this image, I guess. Material. That should help it a bit. Oh, so good look like that. This will look kind of strange though. So what I plan on doing is adding like an animation here, and then when you activate it, a beam of light will come from the top. And we've already kind of designed that here in a previous room. So you can see there's like, once you activate it, it should go up and then, you know, away from existence. And at that point, you know what else we could do? We could actually reuse these tombstones. It wouldn't be as cool, or like, honestly, it might be better for us to just use the tombstones. Because I think, even though this looks nice, or it has potential, it's, I feel like it would require a lot more work from me. And I don't mind doing the work. It's just that, like, I'm sure we could find something better. But I don't want to invest too much time into it right now. So let's actually, I think we might just delete this for now. Decreasing the opacity would make it like the environment. I don't think I'm concerned with it looking like the environment. Oh, you mean like this part right here? Yeah, like this image would change no matter what, but I'm just thinking that this doesn't even look right. So here we can try editing the image to like maybe have a texture closer to this one. Oh, whoops. I think we used the wrong texture here. Oh, no, we didn't. What the hell? We did. So yeah, it does look better, but I still think Something else needs to be done to it. Also, oh, when we need to make sure. Wait. Yeah, this is still buggy. Previously freed instance. Interesting. If monument is equal to original node path. This is ran in the ready function. There's no way this should happen. Let's see. Go here and then die immediately. And we do it again. And one more time. Invalid index original node path. What's going on? Are we running check already exists anywhere else? I wonder why this is proving to be so difficult. For monument in level manager dot monuments, if monument dot original node path is equal to the original node path, on already queued instant. Oh wait, are we not returning this? Let me see something. All right, I'll see you, Adam. Thanks for stopping by, man. So it's happening on the first run. Check already exists. On previously queued, original path is equal to get parent. Oh, get parent. I think I see what's going on here. But we are yielding. I thought maybe we have to yield for a longer period of time. And this is why it's best to like technically run this better. So we are creating multiple instances of this room, and maybe get name is not the right thing that we should. Let me see your rooms. I think we actually have. Do you have a file name? No, it should work. Alright, I think we fixed it. There's one slight bug though, and that's right here. We're not in. It's not hitting anything, and yet that outline is still showing. It's very strange. Oh, actually, wait. Let me see something. Is our world demo still running? No, add monument. No, it's not. And you can see it like blinked too. Also very strange. Oh, you know what's happening here? By default, our hitbox is showing. So like we're adding that object, then it's deleting, and then it's adding itself. I see. That's why. And then when we queue free it, it doesn't exit. So what we do, I think what we could do by default, we could set monitoring to false by default, and then once we add it, like right here, this is when we'll actually set area 2D to monitoring. It's true. And area 2D dot. There we go. God damn, I feel like I'm so slow today. Wait, it's still there. Oh, wait. Monitorable false. On area entered. Change parent. There are multiple instances. There might still be multiple instances of our monument. Yeah, there are, I believe. So we don't see it because they're just right on top of each other. This if statement, check already exists, isn't actually the original path. We should print out what the original path node is. now. So yeah, in array, it's called room 53 node 2D, but then the second one is room 86 at 369 monument. So technically it's already been added, and if we were to restart right now, what room are we in? We're in room 59, but it says room 50. Oh wait, maybe we are in 59. Let's see. We're in room 80, room 86. So let's see. It seems like it's printing correctly here. And if we restart, then we get room, okay, then we get room 86 at 388 monument, and then, yeah, so the rooms are constantly changing. What's weird is that, I mean, we could cut it out, but I wonder why it does that. Like, it grabs, I guess because we recently Q-freed it, so it changes the name for us, but so yeah, we could technically rename it here. I'm trying to think if there's a... We could have a scene. We create the instance, then we add the name. That might work as well. Let me see if base... I don't know if this is a thing. No, it doesn't seem like it's a thing. So yeah, we'll just save it every time we instance the room. We could do it here. We just say var room name. Trying to think, what's the best way to go about it? Yeah, we could say get file name, or yeah, get file name, and then over here in let's see, in our world demo, before we actually queue free this room, we have test, and then at the end of it, where do we queue free? Current room.queueFree. So before we say current room.queueFree, we're gonna say we'll just say test.current. Oh wait, before we do queue free, test.room name is equal to current room dot. Test.room name is equal to current room dot room name. All right, so yeah, that should fix it. All we need to do now is when we instance each of these rooms, instead of saying get parent.get name, we're gonna say get parent dot room name. That should fix it. There we go. All right. Well, we're not even going to use this, but we're going to use this on a different monument object. But now we have all the code to say that it's not buggy. It does look like spaghetti, though. But we'll ignore the spaghetti for now. I think we're going to take a break here. I don't know. I feel like I'm not getting as much work done as I'd like to. So maybe I'll stream later tonight. We'll see how it goes. I'll see everyone. My one streamer. I'll see you. Peace.